Hey guys, Fishy here, and this time we're going to look at Sana Khan. Sana shares this video about Maxine Waters from the Conservative Family, which is a page that we've been tracking. Has a lot of interaction, 837 reactions, 957 comments, 257 shares. This is really good and baity. So of course it's got my attention. So I think this is someone who's famous in Pakistan. I wasn't quite able to track down who that picture belonged to, but that didn't really matter so much. Let's scroll through the rest of the profile. It's just a series of pictures. There's not even anything really political here that I can tell. Just some images that are, look like they would be from someone from Pakistan, perhaps. Nothing really telling there. But when I go and look at the pictures that are commented on, this is what I'm seeing. These pictures of a whole bunch of people, especially this guy, lots about that guy. But at any rate, when I click this one and I look for the comments there from Sana Khan, here we have it. And then here's tags for this person. And then Hifsa Sherry, which is a tag for Sana Khan. Okay, so we've added this one too. Again, I keep coming up against these, finding all these tags that these fakers have left behind. And they're doing it because they don't want to get caught out sharing content like this so that Facebook would catch them. That's why we need your help sharing these videos so that we can expose fakers like this and start getting Facebook to pay attention to the problem of what they're sharing into groups, trying to aim things at Americans and trying to influence Americans in an election year.